Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going back into the Amazon tool deals and checking out the tools that I've found for this week. These are either going to be items that are on sale, tools that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals and worth considering, or tools I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. So first up is another product. If you guys watched last week's video, I had a set similar to this from Knipex, just different pliers, obviously. That was at $107, $108 down from basically this price, but I still believe even at that full price, these are great sets. For one, Knipex, German-made tools, really good engineering, really good quality. I probably have 20 to 30 pairs of Knipex pliers and haven't been disappointed by any of them so far. So I think these are great little sets. These are going to have 3 sets of pliers with the comfort grip, and then you got the Cobras on the left with just your standard grit style grip. And then you have the diagonal side cutters, some lineman pliers, and a long nose plier. Part number 002001 Victor 15. Once again, another 4-piece set. That's what the one from last week was as well. If you guys haven't checked out that video, make sure to do so. This is at 120, just shy of $127. It has 4.7 stars at 87 ratings. It comes in the foam tray, which is a great organizer, but that depends on your situation and if you have the room for it, or if you even like that style of organizer. But I think it's a good option, and it doesn't seem like they're trying to overcharge an arm and a leg for an organizer like that with it, like some companies do. I feel Gear Wrench does that with their very large new sets. So that's just something to keep in mind. I think it's a great set and one worth considering. Next up, we have the 3/8 ratchet. This is a 72 tooth short ratchet, and this is another one, just like last week, another one that I am considering purchasing in order to do reviews on, because I know a lot of people are looking for non-tool truck brand tools, but good quality stuff. And I do a lot of Japan-made tools and things like that. As far as my experience, besides the USA-made stuff, Japan has extremely high-quality stuff. Same thing with Germany. So those are the ones that I look for in order to do reviews, because I know a lot of people out there know about them but aren't sure if they want to spend the money because they can't necessarily get their hands on it. So that's what I try and do. I try and purchase some things here and there in order to share a better view of the items with you guys. But this one is at just under $30. Typical price is $36, so pretty good savings there. It's like a 1/4 inch drive body with the 3/8 drive on it. So I think it's a great little ratchet. They have a couple different ones here. This is the 1/2 inch, and it is also quite affordable at $30.46, down from basically $37. I know a lot of people that have used them and have been very pleased with them. I know a lot of people that like the smaller bodies with the 3/8 drive. So just one I wanted to include. Here you can see it's a 72 tooth, it's 3/8 drive, it's a short ratchet, and not a whole lot of details on it, unfortunately, but there's a little bit of information there. Also, keep in mind, all of these items will be linked down in the description for you guys with their own dedicated links, so they're very easy to find. And then I'll have 2 additional links that will take you to a long list of tools that I've either went over in the past or tools that I suggest. So that's all there for you. Next up is a product that I actually just recently purchased about a month or 2 ago. This is the floor jack pad, and these are used with, you can also get them in other designs. This is just the one that I went with and I've had good experiences with. It's very affordable at $12, as 4.3 stars at 1,816 ratings. That is also all of the different types that they have available. It's going to be for different types of jack stands or jacks themselves, and vehicle specific ones as well. I picked these ones up because it works with the jack stands that I just purchased from Harbor Freight, the aluminum ones. You guys may be able to see a picture here. I think it's Big Red or Torin or whatever. So these ones here, these are the exact same jack stands sold at Harbor Freight. I think Harbor Freight sells them for $80, if I remember correctly, but you can use the 20% off. And I think I got them for something like $64. So in the end, I ended up saving money by getting the ones at Harbor Freight, and they're the exact same design and everything. Rubber mounts that attach to the top work perfectly for them. Here you can, it's kind of a bad image, but you can see they kind of slide over the shape, and this is going to be used for or jack stands on the pinch weld, and then your pinch weld rolling over and getting destroyed. These have a notch in them, as you can see there, that kind of supports it a little bit better. So I picked this up, and it doesn't chip away the paint. If you know, whether you're working on a new car like my Camaro, I've undercoated the bottom of it, and sometimes when using a standard jack stand, you can break the paint off, and then I have to repaint it, and it's just annoying. And keep in mind, they have many other styles as well. One more thing I want to mention, because I was almost fooled, and I'm glad I was reading some of the reviews for this. This is for one jack stand pad. So I ended up ordering two because it is just for one. Don't expect two because you see two in the image. It's just showing two different, sizes. It is just one jack pad. Something I want to mention before somebody goes and purchases one and only gets one instead of a set of two or however many you need. Last up is another great bit set. This is from Wera. This is their universal wrap adapter bit check, the 30-piece set. This is very comparable to the Vessel one that I went over last week, except the Vessel one that I went over that I suggest, it's been great. Keep in mind that it is a very good assortment of bits, but you only get one of each, which is fantastic if you're like me. I have a bunch of just your standard quality bits, so I don't need 10 more Phillips number 2s. I wanted a good quality set that had a great variety. This is going to be more geared towards duplicates, but you're getting good quality bits. Flathead Allen, Phillips, posi drive Torx, and tamper-proof Torx. You're going to get a few of the number 1 posi drives, a few or a couple of them, a few of the number 2 posi drives. You get 3 Phillips number 2s, 1 Phillips number 3, 2 Phillips number 1s. So, a variety. You get more of the ones that they believe people use most often. So this one is $7.77 more than what the Vessel set is, but it also includes a much better bit adapter as well. I think both are great for the price. The Vessel 30-piece one was $30. This one's $37, just under $38. Both are great options. They both have kind of their torsion twist feature. So there's everything included if you would like to pause and take a look at that. There's a closer up look of everything included. And as far as the tools that I have from Wera, they've done very well. I don't have a whole lot from them, but what I do own, I've been pleased with. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Keep in mind, all of these items will be linked down in the description for you guys. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.